Hello, my dear children. Let us continue with construction of triangles. I hope you are fit and fine at your home and you all are doing your studies very well. Construction 2. To construct a triangle when its base, angle adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining sides is given. This example is there in your textbook. Let us try to understand it. Question. Construct triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, angle ABC is equal to 40 degree and AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. Let us draw a rough figure. AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. AB is greater than AC. Draw seg BC. We can draw the ray BL such that angle LBC is equal to 40 degree. We have to locate point A on ray BL. Take point D on ray BL such that BD is equal to 3 centimeter. Now B dash D dash A and BD is equal to AB minus AD, that is 3. It is given that AB minus AC is equal to 3. Therefore, AD is equal to AC. Therefore, point A is on the perpendicular bisector of sec DC. Therefore, point A is the intersection of ray BL and perpendicular bisector of sec DC. Step of construction. Step number 1. Draw sec BC of length 7.5 centimeter. Step number 2. Draw ray BL such that angle LBC is equal to 40 degree. Step number 3. Take point D on ray BL such that BD is equal to 3 centimeter. Step number 4. Construct the perpendicular bisector of seg CD. You'll be joining them properly. Step number 5. Name the point of intersection of ray BL and the perpendicular bisector of seg CD as A. Step number 6. Draw seg AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is your required triangle. Practice set 4.2. Question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is equal to 7.4 centimeter, angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree and XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Line L is perpendicular bisector of sec PZ. Therefore, XP is equal to XZ because perpendicular bisector theorem. Let us give that equation 1. PY is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Equation 2. XY is equal to XZ plus PY. Therefore, XY is equal to XZ plus 2.7 centimeter. Therefore, XY minus XZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Steps for construction. Step number 1. Draw segment YZ of length 7.4 centimeter. Step number 2. Draw an angle measuring 45 degree at the vertex Y. On this ray, mark point T such that P such that YP is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Step number 3, draw sec PZ. Step number 4, draw line L as perpendicular bisector of sec PZ intersecting ray YP at point X. Draw XZ. Join it and name it properly. Therefore, triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Question number 2. Construct triangle PQR such that QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle PQR is equal to 60 degree and PQ minus PR is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Line L is perpendicular bisector of seg MR. Therefore, PM is equal to PR. Reason, perpendicular bisector theorem. Let's give that equation 1. QM is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Let's give that equation 2. PQ is equal to PM plus QM. Reason, P dash M dash Q. Substituting the values, therefore, PQ is equal to PR plus 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, PQ minus PR is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Steps for construction. Step number 1. Draw segment QR of length 6.5 centimeter. Step number 2. Draw an angle measuring 60 degree at the vertex of Q. On this ray, mark a point M such that QM is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Step number 3. Draw seg RM. Step number 4. Draw a line L as perpendicular bisector of seg MR intersecting ray QM at point P such that Q dash M dash P and draw seg XZ. Therefore, triangle PQR is the required triangle. Question number 3. Construct triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle ABC is equal to 100 degree and AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Line L is perpendicular bisector of seg MC. Therefore, AM is equal to AC. Reason, perpendicular bisector theorem. Let's give that equation 1. BM is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Let's give that equation 2. Therefore, AM is equal to AB plus BM. That is A dash M dash, A dash B dash M. As AM and AC are equal, so instead of AM we are writing AC. So AC is equal to AB plus 2.5 centimeter, that is from 1 and 2, and we are substituting the values. Therefore, AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Steps for construction. Step number 1. Draw a segment BC of length 6 centimeter. Step number 2. Draw an angle measuring 100 degree at the vertex B. Extend this ray below seg BC. This is the way you will extend the ray. On the lower side of this ray, mark point M such that BM is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So students, you can take a little big ray, and then you will mark from point B as 2.5 centimeter, and the ending you will mark at as point M. Step number 3, draw sec CM. Draw line L as perpendicular bisector of sec CM, intersecting ray MB at point A and M dash B dash A. Draw sec AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle. This is the end of session 2. Thank you, my dear children. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Goodbye.